Welcome to this quick guide on managing how tagged photos display on Facebook Web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever wondered who sees your tagged posts or how to fine-tune visibility, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the exact steps so you can control tagging privacy with confidence. First, open Facebook in your web browser and sign in. You'll be greeted by your feed. On the top right corner, click your profile picture to open the drop-down menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy, then click Settings. This is where Facebook keeps the main controls for your account. In the Settings menu, look for Profile and Tagging. This section governs how your profile appears to others and how tagging works. You'll see options that determine who can see posts you're tagged in and who can see what others post on your profile. Next to who can see what others post on your profile, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click it to open the choices. This setting is powerful because it affects the visibility of content that includes you, but is posted by friends or others. You want this to reflect how comfortable you are with others sharing things that tag you on your timeline. From the drop-down, select Custom. This opens a more granular privacy control. Here you can tailor who is allowed to see posts that tag you and, importantly, who is excluded. Begin by choosing specific people or lists you want to share with. Then clearly designate who you don't want to see those posts. This is where you can create exceptions, ensuring certain friends or groups aren't automatically included when you're tagged. After setting Custom, click Done to save your preferences. It's a quick confirmation that your new rules are in effect. Take a moment to review once more. Custom lets you specify who can see what others post on your profile, and you can fine-tune the audience with precise inclusions or exclusions. If you regularly manage photos with tags, consider revisiting these settings periodically. Facebook updates can shift defaults, and a quick check keeps your privacy aligned with your comfort level. And that's it. The updated path to control tagged photo visibility on Facebook Web from your PC.